Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 11th of June, 2024. Indian benchmark indices ended on a flat note in the volatile session on June 11th. At close, the Sensex was down 33.49 points or 0.04% at 76,456.59, and the Nifty was up 5.60 points or 0.02% at 23,264.80. ONGC, L&T, Adani Ports, Maruti Suzuki and Tata Motors are among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers included Kotak Mahindra Bank, Dr. Reddy's Labs, Asian Paints, Reliance Industries and Divi's Labs. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of transformers and rectifiers, India, were firmly locked in the upper circuit of 5% on June 11th as the firm launched a qualified institutional placement. The firm set a floor price of 699.95 rupees apiece for the issue, which comes at a discount of 4.5% to the closing price on June 10th. While the company has not revealed the total sum to be raised, sources told CNBC TV 18 that the firm will likely raise 500 rupees crore through the QIP. According to the sources, the share sale might see 5.2% equity diluted, which indicates the price of the issue might be around 665 rupees, coming in at a 9.38% discount. The firm will use the proceeds to fund its capex plans, repay its borrowings, and for working capital, inorganic growth and the general corporate purposes. Following the QIP, the selling shareholder will have a lock-in period of 60 days before they can offload more shares. Shares of PNC INFRATECH tumbled more than 8% on June 11th after Central Bureau of Investigation conducted search operations at residence of Managing Director Yogesh Kumar Jain, Whole-time Director Talluri Ragipati RAO and its Agra office in connection with 10 rupees lakh bribery case. While MD YK Jain and whole-time director TRRAO were not arrested during the CBI search operations, for employees of the company, Satyanarayana Anguluri, Brijesh Mishra, Anil Jain, and Shubham Jain were arrested, said the company in an exchange filing. However, summons have been served to YK Jain to appear before the CBI office, New Delhi. According to reports, the CBI apprehended 2 National Highways Authority of India officials accepting a bribe of 10 rupees lakh from PNC employees in Madhya Pradesh in exchange for final approval, a no-objection certificate, and the processing of the final bill for NHAI's Jhansi-Khajuraho project. PTC Industries shares surged over 5% to reach an all-time high of 11,753 rupees each on June 11th. This rise follows the company's participation in a special-purpose vehicle under the government's Make in India initiative aimed at boosting the defense and aerospace sectors. So far this year, the stock of this metal components maker soared 93%, as against 6% rise in the benchmark Nifty 50 index. The company supplies and manufactures earth-moving equipment, fork, machine tools, pump, spare parts. It is also an exporter of stainless steel casting and non-ferrous alloy. Domestic brokerage Elara Securities initiated coverage on Hindustan Construction Company with a buy rating, believing the company is poised to reclaim its earlier glory. Elara issued a target price of 63 rupees per share on HCC, seeing a 58% upside from current levels. The brokerage said HCC's 10-year slog improved its financial health, as peak standalone debt of 6,200 rupees crore in financial year 2022 fell by almost half to 3,400 rupees crore in financial year 2024. Elara expects HCC's standalone revenue and EBITDA to record a CAGR of 20% during financial year 2024 to 2027 end, with an earnings CAGR at 50% due to lower interest costs. HCC is well positioned to capture on the 1.5 rupees lakh crore nuclear opportunity. According to Elara, the firm could see order inflows of 9,000 rupees crore compared to its guidance of 10,000 rupees crore. Also, inflows are likely to increase by 15% per annum for the next 2 years. SR Shipping Limited in daily time frame is trading around 45 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 12.106 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 33.94, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.78. Panache Digilife Limited in daily time frame is trading around 114.54 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 214.938 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 90.29, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 75.12. Rajri Sugars and Chemicals Limited in daily time frame is trading around 74.58 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.4 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 63.31, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 69.79. For the stock recommendation we have, Surya Roshni Limited looks good and can be bought at 620 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 604 rupees and a target of 640 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.